Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the gold market. On the gold market, we see the pullback that we discussed yesterday, and initially we said that we will consider and we'll keep an eye on this pullback because it could provide another opportunity for taking the short position, because we have in place two grabbers that have been formed here, and actually on the session when we have traded down, by the end of the session we've got another one. Theoretically, grabbers suggest the taking out of these lows, and they will be valid until market stands below the top of the grabber, so at approximately 1588 area. Until this level, grabbers are valid. At the same time, taking into consideration the price action that we've got yesterday and that we're getting today, we suggest that it would be better to wait a bit more with taking the short position and not be too hurry with doing this, because first of all, euro currency and dollar index are coming to the important levels. So, or better to say, euro currency already stand there. Dollar index comes to resistance. It's forming the OP target. It means that here some reaction and relief should happen. At least technically, it could be the pullback, which makes the dollar a bit weaker. That in turn could make impact on the gold market, which could help market to climb a bit higher. But this is cross-market analysis that we see on other currencies, other assets. At the same time, on the gold market itself, we see some signs of strength, especially with this upward action. So take a look on the forward time frame chart. On the forward time frame chart, one reaction on our guideless triple to sell was done. It was a great trade. Yesterday, you could see that here market has formed bullish reversal candle in the middle of this upward action. So market has created a new low, but holds close above the top of the previous session and shows the acceleration up. It makes me think that we could get some upward continuation. That puts under question the existence of the grabber. So I'm not exclude the chance that we will get a higher upward action and taken out of this top. That's what we see right now on the forex market as well. Besides, here we have the, as you can see, hidden bullish divergence. MACD bottom stands flat while market shows upward action. Finally, on the hourly chart, we have this ABCD patch. This completes perfectly. This market hits the resistance, completes the OP, has created our guideless triple to sell that we have talked about, and we said, well, let's consider it here as possible taking the short position. But I don't like this one. So this is too fast acceleration right to the target. It means that the CD leg much steeper than AB, and that increased chance on the further upward continuation to the XLP target. Besides, on this minor pullback, we have side by side two grabbers, which suggest the taking out of this top and also possible upward continuation. So guys, currently, to taking all this stuff together, personally, I'm not sure that I would like to take the short position immediately on the gold market. Maybe later we will get some more signals, more signs of the weakness here. But on the background of the minor details that we discussed right now, this acceleration, divergence, cross-market analysis that we see on other currencies, on other assets, on the dollar index, on the euro, well, chance on upward continuation here exists. And on that background, I think that, well, personally, I don't want to take the risk and trying to take the position right now immediately. Well, maybe if market will climb a bit higher, here we will get something, and maybe the grabber even will survive. I mean, this grabber, because here it's actually market should stay below this top to keep the grabber valid. Maybe some pattern will be formed here or something. We will see. But currently, at this moment, personally, I don't want to take the short position right now on the gold market, and better to see what will happen next.